Hey there, marketers! Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Looking to skyrocket your sales in 2024? Well, you're in the right place. Today I want to introduce you to a game-changing tool, Kartra. Kartra is the ultimate all-in-one platform designed to connect your entire sales pipeline seamlessly. Imagine having every tool you need to streamline your growth, all in one place. No more juggling multiple platforms or dealing with integration issues. First up, let's dive into building pages and marketing funnels. This is where Kartra truly shines. With Kartra, you can whip up stunning pages and funnels in just minutes. No coding skills required, no hassle involved. Their landing page templates are not only beautiful, but also designed to convert visitors into customers effectively. And if you're short on time, Kartra's got you covered with done-for-you campaigns. These are perfect for busy marketers. That's right, 90+ campaigns already written, designed, and connected. Just plug and play. It's that simple. Need to grow your subscriber list? Kartra has powerful tools to help you with that. Kartra's got high-converting lead capture pages, opt-in pop-ups, and more. These tools are designed to maximize your lead generation efforts. Plus, their drag-and-drop editor makes it super easy to customize everything with your own branding. You can make your pages look exactly how you want them to. When it comes to making sales, Kartra's sales pages are a game changer. They are designed to convert and make the sales process smooth. Customize them with your brand, add products, countdown timers, and even track performance with built-in analytics. But wait, there's more. Kartra isn't just about pages and funnels. It's a full-fledged online marketing powerhouse. We're talking funnel mapping, funnel simulation, in-depth analytics, email marketing, and lead management. Everything you need to run a successful marketing campaign. There are forms, shopping carts, A/B testing, you name it. Kartra has it all. Everything is synced and streamlined, making your success seamless. No more worrying about whether your tools will work together. Ready to take the plunge? Kartra offers a comprehensive solution that can transform your marketing efforts. Check the link below to start for free and see how Kartra can transform your marketing game. You won't regret it. That's it for now, marketers. Remember, growth is just a tool away. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and reviews. Until next time, keep pushing those boundaries and achieving your marketing goals. See you soon.